Okay, we're back, so let's continue. Let's go get that item over there. Oh, great. Great. Also, as Chrono Trigger DS taught me, there can be more than 6 enemies on the screen. God damn it, Luca. Oh, shit. Oh. You know, by the way, before you start with, hey, Robo is a robot. He shouldn't get confused. Well, he can, trust me. Doing. Yay! Wow! Figa tackle. Double bomb. Figa circle. Wow, that's a lot of other. I wasn't aware that I hadn't used that combination yet. At least not for a while. Protect ball. Okay. Yeah, I think we're... Yeah, we're almost there. We're almost at the end of this dungeon. Hmm. There's a save point. You need it? Use it. Let's save over here. I don't think there's that much other enemies around here. What is in here? A time hat. Oh my god, time hats are very handy, but they're not very strong now, are they? Hold on, there was someone with the... Yeah, there we go. You need this a lot more than they do. I actually think that this is... Is it? Oh wait, there's a... Yeah, I just saw it. Yeah. I think this is it. Oh yeah. This is it. Boss fight time. Oh, this is gonna be great. Hold on a second. I wanna... What am I doing with the... Oh. Yeah. Oh, great. I'm not sure what this guy's name is in the Japanese, but this is the Giga Gaia. Wow, it's still the same. Ah, hell. He does that he does it and attack like that twice before... Yeah, before you can attack. He's annoying like that. Let's do Chaos Slash. Take out the hands first. No, I don't know if that actually kills it in the first go. No, it doesn't. Does that kill it? Not even. Oh, you know what? Machine gun punch! Wow! That does a lot of damage. Yeah, the Giga guy attacks with only his hands. You know what? I'm just going to attack his face with a machine gun punch. And I hope he actually damages Frog a bit, because if he does, I'm going to have it easy. Shoo. I forgot. Did I get a triple tech for these guys yet? Ooh yeah! Booyah! that does a lot of damage, so let's do that again. Whoosh! Wait, circuits? Great, it's a machine. Shit. You know what? I'm just going to attack his face again one more time and see if I can actually kill him. Nope. That didn't kill him. Oh no, that's not... Great. Should have something. You know what? I'm just going to use a shining and get it over with. Oh my god, that killed him. Yeah, you disappear into obscurity. Okay, Chrono went up a level. Now, come on! Open up! Hey, what the? Yeah, Bosch is the philosopher of life. Yeah, almost done. Huh? Which explains why the Queen is such a The what? Eep! And now we have to backtrack all the way. Luckily we don't have to do this manually. Yeah, kind of. I'm not sure if the winds actually stopped or if it was just to make the animation a little bit more, well, smooth. But yeah, the mountain is falling. Oh, don't worry, we got off. So, yeah. Also, the demonic vessel is called the Mammon Machine in the US. In case you didn't know. Ah! What the hell is Sarah doing here? Yeah, Sarah is the Japanese name for Scala. Oh, hey, looky who's also here. Hey! Oh, great. Yay! Oh, great. Him again. No! Ah! Eek. Gentle. I don't like that guy. Let's pause for a moment.